From ancient times, onion juice has been known for hair health, especially for hair loss. For decades, people have been using onion juice for the treatment of their hair loss. Other than this, onion juice has been used for the hair growth and in cases of premature graying of the hairs. The sulfur content in onion juice helps in boosting the production of collagen, a protein that is essential for the hair growth. It is believed that the use of onion juice may restore the luster and shine of the hair and is beneficial in the treatment of dandruff. In cases of the thinning of hairs or scalp infection, onion juice has been very successfully used to solve the problems of the concerned persons. Onion juice has the properties of stimulating the hair follicles, which results in faster and healthier growth of the hairs. Onion juice has antibacterial and antifungal properties that may help in reducing dandruff and other scalp infections. How much time does it take for the onion juice to affect on the hairs for growth? Researchers have found that hair growth usually started after 2 weeks of using onion juice if applied twice on the scalp daily. For better results, onion juice can be mixed with castor oil, olive oil, coconut oil, honey and curd, and then used.